Meet URated, your trusted partner in the digital world. Wondering why you should choose us? Well, let's find out and dive right into this. At URated, we're not just website developers, we're digital architects. We design, build, maintain, and host websites that don't just look pretty, they accomplish the tasks they're built for. What is our secret sauce? Super awesome hosting via Google Cloud servers. Google servers are the most secure and the fastest servers in the world. At URated, your website's performance and security are our top priorities. But what good is a website if no one can find it? That's where our search engine optimization team, or SEO team, as they are more commonly known as, comes in. Working both your on and off-page SEO will ensure your website ranks higher and gets noticed. Our in-house creative team is your dream team. From videos to print and all things digital, we turn ideas into stunning visuals that leave a lasting impression. In the age of social media, we're your content creators, post creators, and engagement wizards. We handle everything: content creation, posting, monitoring, and engaging with your audience. Need more leads? Say no more. URated specializes in lead generation and marketing. We'll bring the leads right to your doorstep, literally. Our call center services provide unmatched support. Your customers will feel valued and heard, leading to lasting relationships and more profit to your bottom line. When it comes to advertising, we've got you covered. We create and manage Google ads, Facebook ads, and more, ensuring your message reaches the right audience. So why URated? Because we're not just another digital agency. We're your growth partners, your online champions, and your success enablers. Ready to take your digital presence to the next level? Contact URated and let's make your digital dreams a reality. Call our team here at URated today and see the difference we'll make for you. URated, digital done right.